In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram login problem, phone verification not working. If your verification code isn't arriving or you can't complete the login, don't worry. We'll go through a clear set of fixes and I'll explain why each one helps so you know exactly what's happening. Start by enabling data roaming. Open the settings app on your phone, tap connections, then go to mobile networks. Turn data roaming on. This allows your phone to receive verification messages when your device isn't strictly on your home network, which can sometimes be the reason codes don't come through. Keep in mind that roaming may incur charges, so you can turn it off again once you're logged in. Next, manually select your mobile network. In the same mobile network section, tap Network Operators. Turn off Select automatically, wait for your phone to scan, and then choose your carrier from the list. This forces your device to register properly on the network. After that, go back to Telegram and request the verification code again. If that still doesn't work, try Telegram X, an official alternative app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Telegram X, then download and install it. Open Telegram X, enter your phone number, and request the code again. Many users find this bypasses temporary app-specific glitches. Now let's stabilize your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Turn airplane mode on for about 30 seconds and then off to refresh network components. If needed, restart your phone to clear minor connectivity hiccups. Once your connection feels stable, try requesting the code again. Make sure the Telegram app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Telegram, and install any available updates. Outdated versions can have bugs that affect the login process. Reopen Telegram and try signing in again. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn them off. Disable any active VPN on your device. Then open Telegram settings, go to Data and Storage, tap Proxy, and turn the proxy off. These tools can block or delay verification messages and calls. Retry the login after disabling them. As a last option, if the issue persists after 72 hours, contact Telegram support. Submit your phone number, your device type, and a clear, concise description of the problem. Keep your message specific to help them assist you faster. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.